let's go to the Pythagorean Theorem. So if you go to my computer screen again, the Pythagorean Theorem, the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And what it's used for is to find missing side lengths of right triangles. So, apologize for my rough drawing here, but so let's say I know this side length is 3, and then my other side length is 4, and my hypotenuse, or it's the long line that connects the right angle, so the hypotenuse. This is one that we don't know, so we'll call it x. So this is just an example on how it's used. So hypotenuse. All right, so to use the formula, we choose our two sides and we plug them in for a and b and c. So if we put this side as a and this side as b, doesn't matter which one, but what does matter is that your hypotenuse is c. So we're going to plug in the first side, 3, so 3 squared, plus, and then b squared, which we said b is 4, so 4 squared equals c squared, or x squared, either one. But that's the side that we don't know. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to help us find that. So to solve, we have 3 squared, which is 9, and then 4 squared, which is 16. And if you want to hear more about squares and square roots, feel free to ask. I'm happy to explain. Equals c squared. And then we'll add them together. So 9 plus 16 gives us 25. And we have 25 equals c squared. And here's the square root that you were talking about. To find what c is, and not just c squared, we have to square root both sides of our equation. So we're going to take square root of 25, and then the square root of c squared, which will give us just c. And then lastly, square root of 25 is 5. So our missing side is 5 units long. And that's what the Pythagorean theorem does. It tells us, or helps us, find missing side lengths of right triangles only. These doesn't work for every type of a triangle, just right triangles. So I hope that helped a little bit.